In this video, we'll show you how to disable and re-enable a hard disk drive without losing any data in Windows. For demonstration, I'll disable a 2 TB HDD. The first method is by using the device manager. After disabling the disk, restart the computer to apply the changes. As you can see, the hard drive is now disabled and has disappeared from Windows Explorer. To re-enable the disk, go back to the device manager and enable it. As you can see, the hard drive has now been successfully re-enabled. The second method involves using the disk management tool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.